And offshore engineering, once again, it is offshore, from the far away from the shore area. So onshore is at the shore, offshore is far away from the shore, so that the water is deep there, deep water there. So we call this is an offshore zone area, which implies deeper water outside the far away from the coastal area. And left-hand side, you see that this is a oil or gas drilling plant. So we call this a kind of ocean plant. They explore to drill the water or soil, land, bottom of the sea to find out gas or oil. So it's a big business now. And right-hand side is a conceptual drawing of energy island I showed you on Tuesday. So people are trying to construct a artificial small island to host many of wind power system and also solar powers and wave generator and current generator too. So altogether they can be an island of energy. That is an idea. So some people is trying to build such a. So the scope of ocean engineering can be including coastal engineering and then offshore engineering mainly, and then part of marine engineering, part of naval architecture. And coastal engineering, one big area is port and harbor. They trying to differentiate between port and harbor in terms of this figure here. Left-hand side, this is a Long Beach port of Los Angeles of the United States. And this is a very big port, so that you can see there is ships along the area, extended area, and where this is looks like a parking area, right? But this is used for parking of container boxes, because this ship looks like a container ship, and there is a 4 container crane per ship. Oh, there is only one. And you can see another ship here and several more around. So this is a very big port area with many ships and cargo space, parking lots. So this is a port we call. And harbor, this is Baltimore. Baltimore is also another city in east coast of the United States. But you can see that the area is small. So, and also you cannot see big ships. At the left-hand side, there are big ships. Looks small, but this is a big ship. On the right-hand side, there are only yachts and cruise and fishing ships. So smaller ships are gathering. And Baltimore was a very busy port at the beginning of United States. So many people are coming from Europe towards America, North America, to build the United States. At that time, Baltimore was very busy with the commercial ships are coming from Europe and between Europe and America. But nowadays, it is too small because the ships are becoming bigger and bigger. So they cannot enter to this Baltimore harbor. So only small ships are used, so that they are not anymore as a commercial area. Something like cargo ships are coming. So they are doing different roles nowadays. So recreational ships are coming usually. So we call this like a harbor, so that behind the port or harbor, there are high-rise buildings, looks like residential areas. And near the sea, it is very probably luxury residential apartment or something. Comparing to the left-hand side, it is different, right? Left-hand side, there is no high-rise building, no recreational vessels, only big ships, container ships, and parking space for containers. And coastal structures, there are jetty. Jetty is for ships is coming and then touching this box-shaped protection devices, and covered by soft material not to damage ship's skin. And breakwater, when ship is coming into the port area, they want to protect the ship moving from the wave is coming. So sometimes the ocean is rough with the big waves, so that breakwater is protecting ships inside from the high waves. And groin is a long-listed structure to protect swimmers and also movement of sand, similar to a coastal berm. So in recreational beach, the problem is because of the wave and stream, the pretty sand is removed because of the water movement. So they want to keep the good style sand beach for the tourist. So they try to keep them by using structure like groin or bump. And dredging. And once again, have you been to Incheon Airport? Raise your hand. Anybody? Have you been to Incheon Airport? Almost. All right. Oh, all of you. All right. So as I told you that Incheon Airport is built above a rather large size island. When you travel or transport towards the airport from the Seoul city, you can use maybe driving your car or taxi or railway, subway, right? But you may notice that there are smaller islands around that airport. And we call the Yellow Sea, where the Incheon Airport is located. The left-hand side of west side of ocean of Korea is very shallow water, shallow ocean. And Incheon was famous of a ship port in old days. Still, there is a port of Incheon, not only airport, ship port is there. The problem is the water depth is too shallow for incoming large ships. So the dredging is important for that kind of situation. For the Incheon port, they need to safeguard channel, water channel, deeper water channel, where there is can be a kind of a restricted navigational route for the ship. For the big ship, say we learned about what is the depth of the ship and draft of the ship last time. Draft is the submerged depth of the ship. The big ship may have a 30-meter of draft. Then the water depth should be at least 40 meters, right? Because submerged depth or draft is 30 meters. Then we need to have a 10-meter allowance. So that 40-meter depth is required to passage of the ship. So in shallow water near Incheon port, there are not so many such deep water. And also the Han River, they transport sand every year towards the Yellow Sea. And also China is also carry similar situation, so that Yellow Sea is very shallow. Now we need to have a special ship we call the dredger. Dredging is digging the sand at the bottom of the sea. And there are two types of digging. One is a cutter suction, the other one is a hopper type. Suction is pumping out by using agitating the water using a small propeller, so that oil and water and soil sand is coming at the same time by using a suction pipe, impeller. And hopper type is usually the grabbing and soil and digging, similar to land-based digging. Hopper. Right. Oh, we already have 30 minutes, so let's have a break. Any question? Oh, there is no, this is airplane. Usually, no, I was wrong. The airplane is 10,000 feet, not 10,000 meters, 10,000 feet. So that is 3,000 meters. That is the average, 10,000 meters, 10,000 feet. Right. So last time we had a turnaround of introducing student. We may try once again because we have a new 2 or 3 students now. It was last time was 5 people. Right. We have a 3 new students. But once again, all of you say hello to everybody. Okay. So starting from TA, please.
Okay, hello everyone. This is Ji-Hoo Moon. I'm the TA of this course, and I'm doing my PhD study in the Applied Fluid Mechanics Lab in Mechanical Engineering Department. And if you have any questions and inconvenience regarding the course, please feel free to contact me via the email or KakaoTalk. So welcome everyone. Thank you.
All right, then we go on to clockwise to Lana.
Hello, my name is Lana, and I am a senior at KAIST, and I am studying mechanical engineering and bio and brain engineering. And yes, thank you. I'm from Jordan.
You from Germany?
Jordan.
Jordan. Okay, Jordan. All right. Jordan. I cannot remember where is the Jordan, Middle East. What is the neighborhood countries? Jordan.
Syria, Saudi Arabia, Lebanon.
Lebanon. Okay. So it's not so big country.
Yes, it is small.
Small.
Only 10 million.
Sorry?
10 million people.
10 million people. But land size may be bigger than South Korea, or?
I think maybe a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. I am not sure.
All right, around the same size. Okay, good. And then goes on to say Kim Ji-hyuk.
Hi, my name is Kim Joo. I'm senior of KAIST and I'm majoring in mechanical engineering. And I was interested in ocean mechanics, so I took this class. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And goes to Insane, please.
Hello, my name is Hain Lim, and I'm.
Can you say a little bit louder, please?
Hello, my name is Hain Lim, and I'm first grade. And my major is mechanical engineering, and my minor is electronics. And I'm interested in how to make naval architecture and ocean engineering. So I took this class now.
Right. You may try another microphone next time because you need to have more speech in the later stage. Okay. Thank you very much. Go to Adib Mohammed. Your name is Islam. Adib Mohammed Islam. Right.
Yeah, hello, my name is Adib. I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Okay.
Yeah. Currently, I'm a third-year student, double majoring in mechanical and electrical engineering.
Mechanical and electrical?
Yeah.
Okay.
And so like the city where I'm from, Chittagong, is very similar to Busan. It's the port city. So like growing up, the port was like 30 minutes away from my home. So I've been seeing a lot of naval and ocean engineering stuff around my house. So that was kind of interesting. And recently, in our country, we are having a lot of development and we are building new ports. And like I've been seeing the process, how they're making it. So that's what also made me intrigued about this course.
Good. Small question. When Bangladesh has a name of Bangladesh, what year? It was East Pakistan something in old days, right?
Yeah, it was East Pakistan.
So when your country name is changed?
In 1971, we had a war for independence.
Okay, 71. War
Yeah.
toward Pakistan then?
Yeah, they were oppressing us. So
I see. I did not know that. Okay, thank you. And goes to Sung Min Woo.
Hello, I'm Sungmin.
Louder, please, loud.
I'm Sungmin Woo. I'm the
I cannot hear you.
PhD. I entered last year's fall semester.
Louder, please, or closer. Something is wrong. I cannot hear.
Can you hear my voice?
But voice is weak. It's coming, but very weak. That's why. Right.
Can you hear my voice?
Yeah, let's go on. Yeah.
I am currently working at Samsung Heavy Industries Research Institute, but since my background is mechanical engineering, so I would like to learn about the basics of ship and marine engineering through this lecture.
Oh. So you are in the boundary, so that because I did not recommend student who is has an experience in this as a student or as a company. We will see next more privately to talk. Right. Thank you. And next is Kim Ji-hyun.
Hello, my name is Kyung Kim, and I am double major in nuclear and quantum engineering and mechanical engineering. engineering. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And Faltamo.
Hello, everyone. This is Barakat.
Barakat is your first name?
Yeah, Barakat's my first name. Faltamo is my last name.
Okay.
So I'm from Ethiopia. Ethiopia is also a landlocked country, so I'm taking this course for just credit. We don't have any like ports or a Navi or anything. And I'm also ME major and EE double major student. And this is my 9th semester here in KAIST.
Nice. Okay.
So
Almost.
Yeah.
Almost. What is your plan afterward then?
I plan to go to graduate school.
Graduate school. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So then you need to have a higher grade.
Yeah.
Good grade.
Yeah.
All right. And then finally, Yunusang. No, I cannot hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Yun Sang, and I'm in double major of mechanical engineering and industrial design. And this is my 10th semester. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
All right. So thank you very much. So I had a problem with listening to Im Jae-in and Woo Seung-min today. So you need to check your audio devices next time. The others are okay.
Professor,
Right.
can I make a quick announcement before we move on?
Sure.
Okay. So some of you have mentioned, there was a problem with accessing the lecture notes uploaded on the main web page. So I changed the access permission. So from now, I think anyone can access and download those files. And also, usually they'll be uploaded slightly after the lecture is done. So if you are to download them before the lecture, please get them from the emails from the professor. That's it.
Okay. Any other questions? Then we may go on to, let me show you some, there's another chatting, where is this? Okay. The class is how to operate class. I explained how to operate. So you may have a lecture